Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Remove the card, inspect printing and adapter for obvious mismatches, and confirm the advertised capacity. Once done, plug the card into a quality USB 3.0 reader and make sure your PC is stable. Install H2Testwa Windows or F3 Mac OS/Linux. You need the tools ready because the next step writes data to the full card to verify real capacity. Make sure no other disk operations run during the test. Now execute the write and verify cycle. Start H2Testwa or F3 to write files that fill the entire reported capacity, then verify them. You want to observe where errors appear. Fake cards often fail near their true smaller capacity or show corrupted files. Note sustained write speed. Huge drops can signal counterfeit flash. If the tool reports mismatched sizes or corrupted blocks, rerun the test on a different reader or machine to exclude the reader as the problem. To finish, compare reported capacity vs verified capacity. If verification stops earlier or files corrupt, the card is fake. Make sure to do a full low-level format or secure erase, then rerun the test once. Sometimes file system issues mask problems. If errors persist, document screenshots and reject the card. Request a refund or replacement. Troubleshooting tip. If tests behave inconsistently across readers, swap the card reader and cable to rule out peripheral faults before accusing the card of being counterfeit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.